Hello everyone, this is Pawan Kumar from Learn Digital Academy. Today we will discuss about topic called a brush tool. Brush tool shortcut key is there B guys. When I want to select the brush tool, that time you want to see here it is showing my different type of brushes. Which brush you want to select. Suppose I want to select the smooth brush and I can draw like this. And you want to increase the brush size, you can decrease the brush size means you can use here. And here you want to see guys, I want to just create and I can drag it here. And you want to come here guys, here some another option it is there, that is called a brush settings. When I want to create a brush settings, that time you want to see here different type of brushes it is there. Which brush you want, you can drag the select the brush and you can fill the color here like this type you want to use this brush settings. After that guys, you want to come to the different type of modes it is there. Suppose I want to see guys, I want to draw here like this. After that I want to change my color mode in burning. That time you want to see guys, a little bit burning effect it is coming here. When it is coming to the little bit burning effect, that time you which mode you want to select and you can change the color. But here I am not changing the color, but here I want to change my little bit dark mode value. Like that type you want to use this option guys. Next, you want to go to the file and open here. When you want to open here you want to take any one picture. When I want to take any one picture, you want to see guys here this picture is there now. Then I want to open one create one new layer. Okay, when I want to create new layer, I want to come and I want to select my soft brush and I want to reduce my opacity. See guys, why when I want to reduce my opacity, that time I want to fill the color here. That time see guys, many times I want to drag but my image is visible guys. Okay, but when you want to decrease your flow, okay, when you want to decrease your flow, then I want to drag around 2 to 3 times. That time my image is hide means it is coming to the little bit darker color, it is coming to the little bit lighter color. Like that type you want to use this option guys, that is called a flow and opacity. Like that type you want to use this option guys, the opacity and flow. After that here it is coming to the smooth. When you want to select the smooth, that time you want to use the some pen tablet or something, that time you can use the smooth tool. When I want to select the smooth tool, that time you want to see increase, that time my brush it is coming to the little bits, edges will be coming to the little bit smoothness. Normally here it is coming 0 guys. After that here you want to change the brush angle, that time you want to use this brush angle. After that guys, next option it is coming, always use pressure for size when off brush preset. Means when you want to use the pen tablet, that time you want to select this option. After that guys, next option it is there, that is called a symmetric. What is the meaning of symmetric? Means you know that guys, you can create a mandala design. Just I want to open my Google Chrome. When I want to open my Google Chrome, just I want to go to the Google. In that Google, here you want to see guys, mandala art. When I want to select mandala art, that time you want to see guys, here some different type of mandala designs it is coming. Like this type of designs you want to use means, that time we use this brush tool. When I want to select my brush tool, after that I want to come to the here and I want to select my mandala. When I want to select my mandala, that time I want to increase my segments here. Now you want to see guys, my segments is coming here. Then you want to just select the brush tool and decrease my brush size, and you want to just guys, you want to see like that type you want to draw the mandala art here, correct? Yes, Like the type of any design you want to create means that time you want to use the brush tool and you want to create your mandala art. Like that type you want to use this brush tool, guys. Next you want to come to the next tool, it is there, guys, that is called a pencil tool. When you want to use the pencil tool, that time what are the things it is there in brush, the same thing it is coming here, guys. Just when you want to select the pencil tool, okay, I want to off my symmetric. Okay, now you want to see, guys, when I want to select my pencil tool, that time you want to see, guys, what are the brush tool options it is there, same brush tool options it is coming, and here only one thing is there, here opacity is flow is not there, but only opacity is there. Remaining options are same, guys, but what is the difference between brush tool and pencil tool? I want to select the pencil and I select the roundedness and I want to draw it here one line, and same thing you want to select the brush tool and here you want to select the this thing and you want to increase your brush size, okay, and you can draw it. That time you want to see, guys, here the edges, the brush tool edges is little bit smoothness and the pencil edges it is coming little bit sharpness. This is the difference between brush tool and pencil tool. And what is the next option it is there, guys? Next option it is there, color replace. What is the color replacement? How do we use it means, just, guys, I want to close all things and I want to select this person. When I want to select this person and I want to open the lock, when I want to open the lock, that time, guys, I want to use my crop tool. When I want to use my crop tool, then, guys, I want to increase my size. Okay, when I want to increase my size, then, guys, after that I want to come to this tick mark, then this layer 01 duplicate I want to take it and I want to drag and drop here. Okay, again some extra area is there, not that extra area, again I want to select the my crop tool and I can crop it here. Now, guys, here you want to see this person shirt color I want to change. Okay, that time, guys, what happened, I want to zoom the picture, then I want to go to the toolbar and I want to select the quick selection tool and I want to just select that shirt. 1 minute, I want to select the layer 0. When I want to select the layer 0, after that, guys, I want to select magic wand tool, quick selection tool, and I want to select this shirt. Okay, I want to select this shirt. When I want to select this shirt, after that I want to change the shirt color now. Then, guys, I want to just select the brush tool and I want to fill the color. That time what happened, guys, it is coming normal color. That time what happened, my foldings is not showing. Now, guys, I am using the my color replacement. When I am using my color replacement and I want to change my color into pink and I want to fill the color here. When I want to fill the color, that time you want to see my pink color it is coming, but my foldings is showing here. Like that type you want to use this option, guys, that is called a color replacement tool. And next it is there, guys, mixture brush. What is the meaning of mixture brush? How do we use it means, when you want to select the mixture brush, see, guys, any pimple or patches it is there. Suppose, guys, here this girl is there, here some pimples it is there. Now these pimples I want to mix this skin tone, means that time I am using this mixture brush. Select the mixture brush and before mixture brush you want to select this skin tone, then you want to come here and you want to select the mixture brush and you want to just drag it here. Okay, just it is little bit mixing, it is merging the skin color, guys. Okay, like that type you want to use this option, guys, that is called a mixture brush. Like that type you want to use this tool that is called a brush tool, guys. Hope the session was informative. We'll catch you up next session.